If you're looking to create a freebie funnel using email automation and you want it done fast, this video will show you exactly how, step by step, in under 3 minutes. I've tested all the most popular software options out there, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build your funnel using one simple platform. Plus, there's a free trial exclusive to viewers of my channel. Check the description if you want to follow along. Here's the simple plan. You give away something valuable for free: a PDF, checklist, template, guide, and in exchange, you collect emails. Then you use email automation to build trust, deliver value, and eventually make an offer. It's one of the fastest ways to start growing your list and making sales automatically. Let's build it. Step 1. Set up a landing page. Inside the software we're using, choose a simple template, drop in a headline that clearly explains the freebie, and add a form asking for their name and email. Keep it clean, no distractions. Your freebie should solve one specific problem and feel like an easy win. Step 2. Connect the form to your email automation. As soon as they submit, trigger an automated welcome email. This is where you deliver the freebie instantly, don't delay. You can write something like, "Here's the resource I promised. Just hit reply if you have any questions." Step 3. Build out a short email sequence. 3 to 5 emails over the next few days is perfect. In email 1, deliver the freebie. Email 2 can share a quick tip or case study. Email 3 can introduce a problem that your product or service solves. And then email 4 or 5 can present your offer or booking link. The key here is automation. Set it once and let the software do the rest. Every new subscriber gets the same consistent experience, and your funnel runs on autopilot. Now, you don't have to overthink the design or the tech. The software we're using makes it super beginner friendly. And again, the exclusive free trial is linked below if you want to try it without paying a cent. Here's the key takeaway. A freebie funnel powered by email automation is one of the most efficient ways to turn strangers into leads and leads into paying clients. It builds trust, delivers value, and sells, without you manually following up with anyone. Quick recap. Create a landing page that offers a valuable freebie. Trigger an automated welcome email to deliver it immediately. Set up a short email sequence that builds connection and leads to an offer. That's it. If you're ready to set this up for yourself, I highly recommend taking advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description. You'll have everything you need to build a complete freebie funnel with email automation without wasting time or money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.